Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We are here at Belize North, Belize North subdivision, located in Barangay Nangka, Consolacion, Cebu. This is just few minutes drive from National Highway. So a northern part of Cebu province and few minutes drive from National Highway again. SM Consolacion, Mendero Hospital, Fuda Mall. So, dito ta mag-agi sa Fuda Mall. This is 2-story, 3-bedroom with balcony, 2 toilet and bath, and with 1 car garage. So, mao na presyo guys, 5.1 million pesos with 50%, 50,000 pesos discount as buyer's promo on 15% equity. So, doon na tayo buyer's promo guys. Gitawag og 50,000 discount on 15% equity. So, equity term is 24 months at 29,202.02. So, balance is bank financing. Amenity. So, amenities. Mao ni siya guys. Atong clubhouse, parks and playground, half basketball court. So, mao na siya guys. So, dool ra ni sa highway. Dapit ra po ni sa Puda o diha sa may basta diha ra sa may kuan. Dool sa public market, no? Pero distansya sa gamay sing dool jud kaayo, no? Pero nindot kayo ang location guys kung maabot na ka diri. Although sa pagsulod lang nimo po medyo dili gyud dako kayo ang road. Igo ra gyud. Kay daghan naman sa namuyo diha pero nindot sa gyud ang ato ang property, no. This is a 2-story. Gamay na lang nabilin guys. Mano siya, no? Nya nay toilet sa silong, nya service area, nya nanay fitted cabinet. So this is ready for occupancy. Puyo na gyud karitso guys. So, what you see is what you get. So, mao na akong giingon. Okay? So, very nice gyud kaayo ang atong property for sale. So, gamay na lang murag basta duha na lang siguro ka buok ang nabili ni guys. For swerte na lang gyud, no. Na tile floors na. So, usa ka buok CR sa kuan sa silong mo ni siya guys. Ya, sa taas na to dito ang kuan 2 toilet and 1 toilet sa taas, common toilet, ya 3 bedroom. Okay, mana siya guys. So very nice. Ya, schools daghan sang eskwelahan dia. Pwede gani sa Ateneo de Cebu. Duol ra man dapit sa Kanduman pod. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. So bye.